Our topic for today's SolidWorks tutorial, I'll be discussing about another simple way to go around with SolidWorks. You can stop and rewind the videos to understand fully. Please continue watching until end of the video so you can easily learn SolidWorks. And I appreciate your support to my YouTube channel. Let's get started. File, New, and a new solid document opens at the template and pick up the part and then click OK with an open view of let's go on that is front plane and then sketch. Let's do a center line. Let's make sure that 1 to 100. Let's do a line coming from here, from here, from here, from here, from here. Then measure it at, let's do this one as in 20, that's in millimeter, and regenerate the model with the current value, and then save the current value and exit the dialog box. And let's measure that one as 30. And this one will be 20. And this one will be 70 exactly. And this one will be 40. Okay. Let's do one more thing. Let's do more. I'll insert a line here. Line here. At 45. This one and this one will be 20. Regenerate. And this one to here is 20. Let's cut this one from here. Yep, let's cut it. And then put a line over here. Now it's like a fully defined. And then let's sketch a chamfer with this one here and one here, and that's it. And then let's have a rebolt. It automatically reads it with this 363 at the blind at line 1. Line 1 is this one or this one. Let's get out of here. Okay. Now you can see that it was rounded. And let's do sketch over here. Let's do something like a whole circle that is 25. Regenerate and get out of the dialog box. And now extrude cut from here to there. So let's go on to the next. It's right there. To the next. Now there's a hole inside. The common hole, one here and here. And then let's go on the front plane. Let's sketch another. Now I wanted to make this as a jumper on this one. So let's do a jumper 10 and then 45 degree as jumper parameters. So the items to jumper is this edge. Okay. And then let's do a sketch on this area. From here through here. So let's do the measurement. It's 40. 6. It's 40. It's got the dimension. I will let to cut something there. So let's extrude cut up to 20. Maybe more. Let's grab this one. That's 45 millimeter. Let's do the cut. Okay. Maybe we'll adjust and edit the sketch. We'll adjust something. So let's remove that one. Let's adjust this one to here. That one. So now it's more better. Now it's cut on that side now. Let's do another jumper with this maybe 2.5 as a unit as millimeter. Put it here. Yep. And also here. Let's do jumper edit. This one. This one. Okay. Now we just pull the jumper. And I wanted this one to be copied on the other end. So let's do that one. So it's supposed to be mirror. Let's do the where the plane is. The right plane. Not the jumper, but the cut. Let's remove the jumper, delete, and cut. Now it's been cut automatically and it shows that it was cut in the right place. This hub. Let's see the hub. Okay. Let's do only one. Much better. Let's go color it. Let's get out of there first. Let's save it to 170. 170 as an exercise. And then color the exercise 170 as red, or yeah, it's red, more better. And let's do all the jumper color. Shift key or the control, all the jumpers to be blue. Okay, it's all blue, and let's save it. I found out that some of you are not subscribed yet. Please subscribe now so you can gain more knowledge about SolidWorks, and I appreciate your kind support to my YouTube channel. I hope you like my videos, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Share, likes, and comments below, and I appreciate your support to my channel. Have a good day to all.